reduce finance state. Create a folder called live project. Inside the live project, one folder will be JSON API, and after that, one folder will be JSON API, and instead of JSON API, you can rename it as a backend. Backend will keep as a JSON API, JSON server. Okay, next after that, right folder is ready. Now here again we open the CMD under the live project only. Under the live project itself, open the CMD, and under the CMD, you can run npx create the React app, npx create React app, give app name shopping app. Npx create React app name shopping app. Internet is required. Npx create React app name shopping app. Once your project installation is done, you can let me know. Some people log in just now. You should create a folder called backend, and you should create a new project in React that is called shopping app. Create a folder called backend, empty folder, and create another folder, another project called shopping app. Npx create React app, shopping app. Npx create React app, shopping app. To do CMD, you have to create the new project. You forget the syntax. Here is the syntax how to create the project. Npx create React app, shopping app. Npx create React app, shopping app. One folder you create the backend, and after that create one more project called npx create React app, shopping app. Run in CMD, it will create a new project. So for how many people is created? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 people. We'll wait for other everyone. This is the command you need to run to create a new project. Npx create React app. Okay, so ready for 4 more people? Anyone going on? Okay, done then almost. Let's go to the CD shopping app. CD shopping app. You will be under the which folder? Shopping app folder. Okay. Next, after that, you will write here npm install bootstrap. npm install bootstrap. So bootstrap will get installed. npm install bootstrap. npm install react router DOM. npm install bootstrap. npm install react router DOM. Okay, ready. Next, after that, code space dot VS Code will open.
Recording in progress.
You have icon folder, cursor icon, font folder. So font awesome icon folder should be there, or okay, leave icon folder. We can directly link the CDN. We can add directly CDN. So search on W3 font awesome font awesome 5. W3 font awesome 5. W3 font awesome 5. W3 will come. First link will be there. Font awesome 5. CDN link is here. Oh, your code.js. It is asking some kind of we got the code, and by inserting the script tag with the code, you can start using font awesome. Okay, no problem. So we can copy this line. This is the code for W3. They have got IGS license of the code. Okay. So font awesome 5 link is opened. Next we will come down and there is one link here, script src. This you can add in your index.html file in public folder. In public folder index.html file in header you can add. But this is the JS file here. The JS file, no? Okay, no problem. We can try it. This is working here. Okay, so instead of CSS file, they may have given JS file. No problem. We can copy this and add in that file. Index.html in public folder in head section. In head section, we can add it. Copy this and in public folder index.html file add in head section. So many comments are there. You can remove commented block. Commented code you can remove and keep this line in head section. Keep that line in head section. Added in head section. You can check once whether it is working or not, right? But the system should be connected with it. Then only it will come because the CDN link directly. Now we can go to the app.js file and we can remove the logo part, remove everything from here. Write one I class equal to fa hyphen stop fa hyphen 10x. In index.html file, class them fa desktop to check whether icon is connecting or not. Then this you have to do npm start. In the cmd you need to do npm start. Icon is coming. Everyone should check whether they are getting icon or not. Icon is coming that represent your bootstrap. This one font awesome is working. Okay, next work will be come to the index.js file, and in index.js file app.css is calling here. Just after the app.css file we can call the bootstrap.css file. Import bootstrap slash dist slash css slash bootstrap.css. This way you can link to the Bootstrap file. Now throughout the project, Font Awesome as well as Bootstrap you can use easily. Okay. Next, after that, you will install one more package. React Toastify. Search in Google React Toastify. React Toastify. React Toastify. npm.js will come. Open the npm.js. Toasti Toastify. npm you can open. You can see this message. This kind of messages we can generate and we can display. Instead of displaying the message in the page, it will display a pop-up message. Now for that installation we have to do. So you can see for Ubuntu people, for Mac people, this is the line. And for Windows people, this is the line. npm install save react Toastify. This command came to your chat also. You can, but again see, the problem is now we started the CMD. So we have to do from the terminal. In the terminal, you can go for the new terminal and you can do here. Terminal, new terminal, then you can do here. Terminal, new terminal, then you can do here. Someone log in just now, name is called Suhail. What's your actual name that you have given to Info Campus? Suhail. कौन? तो इतना पहले क्यों ज्वाइन किया हो? 35 minutes before he is no.
सर थोड़ा वक्त था सर.
वक्त
वर्क सर.
वर्क ये भी तो वर्क ही है ना.
हाँ सर वो थोड़ा क्या बोलते हैं.
थोड़ा वर्क था, थोड़ा लेट तक सोए रह गए.
ऐसा वो बाइक चला रहा था, अभी आया घर.
अभी एक काम के लेकर के दूसरा काम लेट हो गया. Now for due to this next will be delay. Next तो delay नहीं होगा because I'll leave on time only. Don't worry. But because of previous, not because of previous, because of present, the past will destroy. Future will destroy. Because of mistake in the present, the future will destroy. देखो आप हमको आपको पढ़ाने के लिए हम अपना घर छोड़ करके, बच्चे को छोड़ करके, समझे कि नहीं? आज फर्स्ट रिकॉर्ड मैं बिना नहाए हुए आया हूँ. बिकॉज विदाउट बाथ आई नेवर आउट फ्रॉम होम. ओके, विदाउट बाथ एंड विदाउट ब्रेकफास्ट वो सब छोड़ के. करेक्ट. देन यू आर कमिंग लेट. होस्ट केम बिफोर एंड द गेस्ट केम. No, guest came before and host came late. Reverse order. Okay. Install done. Time management is everything. Yeah, manage the time. Time, if you understand, then future will understand you. If you will not understand the time today, future will ignore you. Anyone should not feel bad. One of my classmates, we study together. Okay. In Bangalore, we study together. Correct. When study got over, correct. Then need job. right? So my habit was to get up early morning always, 5:30 maximum, 5:30, 6 o'clock very, if in case not well then 6 o'clock, else 5:30. Alarm, whether ring or not ring, will get up, okay? He used to get up 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Now see in one day how many hours late? In one day, 5 hours late? 5 hours late will happen or not? In 30 days, how many hours late will happen? 150 hours. Now see in entire life, how many years he will be back? So many years or not? He will be back so many years? Definitely he is back so many years. I give him the work. Okay. वो मेरे लिए काम करता है, मैं उसके लिए काम नहीं करता हूँ. He work for me. So time, if you understand then well. Even from my reference, I have helped him out to get a .NET developer job in one company many years before. Okay, they were giving that time 12,000 salary, and this person used to say like, while sitting on chair, no, my back pain will happen. Okay, without sitting on chair, how can you work here? You have to sit on chair, no? Then only you will do. Correct. Now see the same person. That time 8 hours he was not able to sit on the chairs. Same person will sit 12 hours on the chair in the 25% of the salary. Okay, correct. Time is important. If you understand the time, future will give the value. If you not understand the time, future will not give the value. Okay. Toastify installation done. Let's go. Toastify will help us. It will make project little better, attractive. Okay. Next we will install one more call. That is called Sweet Alert. Sweet Alert. Let's go. Oh, but this installation we have done, we need to call this. Which one? Look at here. Can you see one CSS line is there? So whichever the component we create, in all the component we have to call this, where we want to display the message. Okay. And the CSS file is a global CSS file. So it should go to the index.js. So copy this and add in index.js. Copy this and add in index.js. Okay, next after that, next work will be, I have sent you the command in your chat. You can check in chat. To install the command, it's available in your chat. I deleted the terminal now. Command is available in your chat. You can look there. Next, after that, one more thing you have to copy from here. This line. This line will copy and will paste in app.js file and will comment it. Okay, we'll comment it. So whenever we require, we'll copy this line. Okay. Else later again we'll forget the URL. So copy this and add in which file? Index app.js में add कर दो आप कहीं पे in the last. You add somewhere in the app.js as a commented line, and wherever we want to print that, we have to call this. Which one? Toast container. And in toast, we have to pass the message as a alert. Alert, how we pass under the alert. Similar way, we'll pass the message under the toast. Test kar lete hain na? We'll test it, so you will have experience. So let's call that line here on the top. And write a function here, const test. const toast equal to something. Next, after test equal to something, you will call this component. Okay, and you will pass inside call I working well. I working well. I working well. I working well. Now you need to have a function. See, function you are writing as usual what we wrote before. Inside that what we added? We added this toast. Instead of that we can keep alert. Right? Now to print this message, you require to call this component. Call it a toast component. We can call here toast container. Okay. And to make it functional, we require the button where you click. Button click में on click equal to call the function call test. On click equal to call the function call test. You will click on test button, click me button, some kind of message should appear. Pop-up is coming. Yes. So the pop-up should appear something like this. Button will be there. On the click of that, it will display hi working well. And it will go automatically after some time. Okay. No error. Button click, you call the test function. Inside the test, you wrote it, this one, and other people. Okay, तो चेक कीजिए आराम से. Okay. Yes. Just in market and go to the board. Very important. Import of them. They are not important in the exam. Interesting. No, on click here, not all of it. On click. Okay. So working for everyone. If error will come, you can let me know. So this file was only for the test purpose. What is the appearance of that and what is the benefit? Usually in project we used to display button click, we were creating a variable, a state variable called message, update message, something. So that instead of doing that, what we'll call in the beginning of the component, we'll call test container at test, and we'll keep this line at the end of the page. And wherever we want to print any message, just like the alert, we can pass here. Please wait processing or successfully or deleted here there. We can call that. Okay. So this will be now this line, let it be in the last. Okay, and delete here from the beginning and remove this functionality. It was only for the testing purpose. Okay, it was only for the testing purpose. Put a empty tag here. Here also empty tag. Write h1. Welcome back. Welcome back. Save now. Instead of icon and all, now welcome back will come. Certain component we have to create. We'll create those component, and after that we'll add some few lines, and then we'll see the import process. Okay, so till here we are ready. Next, go to your SRC folder, and in SRC folder, create one folder called what folder we can write is, let's keep call user folder, and one more folder you create in public only, that will be called admin folder. User folder and admin folder. So it will work like in a two module. One module will be user, another will be called as a admin. Now when user will come to the website, anyone will open your website, the page's content will appear from the user folder. And at same time, if the admin will get login, then content will come from the admin folder. So it will be like, based on login, we will load the content from the respective folder. Okay. Now, what will be the folder structure? Let's go to the admin folder now. In admin folder, one file will be admin header .js. Admin header.js. So this header will have certain link, and this link will appear after login. Okay, before login, this link will not appear. Okay. Next, after that, create one more file, dashboard.js. So as soon as we enter under the application, once we login will happen, then this file will appear. Which one? Dashboard. Yeah. Next, we will have one call product.js. In that, you will display the list of product which you have under your inventory. You will create one more file, new product.js. In that, according to need, if you want to add the new item in inventory, we can click on the new item, and then we can add from here. That will be called as a new product. Next, we will create one more file, that will be order.js. Whichever the order come from the customer, that will go to the order page. So how many pages? One will be the product. One more will be called new product. One more will be called order, and one will be called dashboard. In dashboard, we can display the summary of entire how many product, how many customer, how many users, how many orders. And to run this all files, routing is required, correct? So that routing we are not going to write under the app.js. That routing will write here only in one file. Okay. So you write here called admin app.js. Admin app.js. So admin app will be the main application of this all the files. Routing and all will do under the admin app. Okay. So admin app now with app.js file, all the components are not going to deal. Okay, with app.js file, only one component will deal from the admin folder. That is called this one, called admin app. Okay, and admin app will have internal communication between these files based on routing or whichever you want. Okay, so this folder is ready. So check once your file, all files should get ready under this folder. Because when you create the project, inside the project, there will be huge functionality, right? If you go to the withdrawal module, it will display all feature link related to withdrawal functionality only. If you go to the deposit page, then it should display everything related to deposit functionality. So withdrawal module becomes a one module and deposit becomes a another module. So in one module, there will be so many features that will be linking to the. So we can keep this all file in SRC also, but it will come as a mix of all, right? So better you keep in a folder, a structure file. Okay, so these files are ready. Now we will create the remaining files under which folder? User folder. Okay, so in user folder, you create one file. So these files are already. In user folder, you will create the file called, public header.js. Public header.js. To whom this header will appear? Users. Whenever someone will open your website, they can see the public header. Okay, public header will appear to the users. Public header. Next, after that, user will come. User will come to your project, and then user will do the login. Now, login is for someone else. User will see the product. So for that, you will create a file called home.js, where you are going to display the all the product where user can buy it. Home.js. Okay. Next, after that, user will feel like I will not buy now, but let me add in my wish list. Correct? So we can create a file called wishlist.js. Wishlist.js. Okay, so from home file, if they want to buy, they will click on add to cart. If they want to buy later, then click to add to wish list. So it will go to the different bucket. Later they'll come, they'll not go to the home page, they'll go to the wish list. And then from the selected item, particular they can add to cart and remaining they can remove. Okay. So home happen, public header happen, wish list happen, right? Now let's create one more file called cart, C-A-R-T, cart.js. What are the item he is going to buy? He need to add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. Then where it will go? It will go to the cart page. From cart page, you can come, increase the quantity, decrease the quantity, and finally place the order. Okay. Next, one more file will be there for vendor login.js. Login.js you can create it. Okay. Right. So many files are ready. Next, one more file is required. user related functionality should not get called directly under the app. User related functionality should be linked under the public app.js. Public app.js. So create the file called public app, PUBLIC, public app.js. Public app.js, right? So how many? Six files are ready. So in user folder, whichever the files we have, their routing will set up under the public app. And under the admin folder, whichever we have, their routing will set up under the admin, right? This way, and finally, public app.js file will go to the app and admin app.js will go to the app. Only two components will come. From admin folder, one file, and from the public folder, one file. And there will be two components. One is the public app, another one is admin app. So in app.js file, we'll write a condition. If user is login, then display the public app, admin app. If not login, then display the public app. Simple. Through one condition, you can control the entire project pages. Okay, what should display and what should not display. Okay, right? So clear till here. So first we'll go to the which file? First we'll go to the header file. Okay, public header. In public header, we can add the links, and then we'll come to the home, cart, login here and there, and then we'll set up the routing for user. Then again in the admin folder, we'll do the setup of files and all, and then we'll write this one routing. Okay, so come next. So for everyone, file structure is ready. Okay, very good. Let's come now in the public app. Not public app, college public header. In public header. In public header, we will not write as of now bootstrap navigation and all. Navigation will complete in the last. Now we are going to give simple link. Okay, ULLI simple link so that in less code, meaningful output will come. Finally, once the project is ready, then we'll design the header of admin folder and header of public folder. Now only link. Okay, so const public header give the file name and component related. Like my file name is what? Public header. I'm creating the component name also as a public header. So if somewhere you will use the public header, you can guess, oh, public header may belong to where? Public header.js file. But file name, let's keep lowercase, and the component name, let's follow the camel case. Okay. P as a capital, H as a capital. Return, you can follow ULLI, no problem. Inside the LI, we have to follow the link tag. So that we need to import on the top. Import link from React router down. Import link from React router DOM Now come inside and follow the link to only slash, then right here call home. Home footage is something else. Okay. Next li will be called cart, slash cart. We can keep here called my cart. Next we can write call li login. Icon we can use here, but not now, later, once we design the menu. Login. Next li we can keep here call wish. WISH wish list. My wish list. Okay, so this many li happen under which folder? For the public. Okay, so by shopping click they can go to the home. By cart clicking they can go to the cart page. By login clicking they can go to the login page. And by wish list click they can go to the next. Return export default public header. Okay, so link is ready. Now this link we are going to call in which file? Public app we can call it. Okay. So let's import it. So hope everyone have written. Let me send this code in chat also. Right. Next, after this, we'll go to the public app. In public app, we need to import the first hash router, then routes, then route, then link is not required here. Link already we given in which file? Header file. Then import here, import public header. Import the public header, right below const public app export default public app. Next, return hash router Inside that, you will keep by default this one. Which one? Public header will be always on the top. So public header will come without condition. Public header will come without condition. Below, whichever the component will call, there we can add the root and something. Okay. The public header we called. Right till here, we will test this much, whether this much is working or not. Now this public app, you will call under the app.js. Yeah. Public app you call in app.js and see it's happening or not. Public app, we imported which file? App.js. So please import the public app in app.js. Even let me know happening for you or not. Import public app, and here you can remove this. Add here called public app. It should be within the empty tag so that further we can add something. Okay, empty tag is not required here. Why empty tag? Remove empty tag. Because either you will call the public app or you will call the admin app. Anyone at the same time. So no need to write the empty tag. Then in browser, hopefully you will have a link like this. And the click of that link is changing also. Please check and confirm as well. Your pages are, the header is loading or not. Again, I'll show you the public header. Even the code was sent in your chat. Public header, not loading. Where you kept the file. Folder structure, I will say. This is called public app. In which folder? User. Public app. Okay, click on that. Now in that public app, which one you call? You call the public header. Okay, let's go to that file. All are correct only. Is the compiled? This is running npm start. Yeah. No? Okay, we can close it. Which one? The roots is defined. Okay, that is not a problem. Console there is no error. And stop once. Control C. This is called link public header. Then link return is okay. Then after that, this will go to the public app. In public app, header is imported from public header. Public app has router public header. Then we need to go to the app.js file, import public app from the user class public. Right after that, app return public app. Everything is fine. Look at files index.js file. Here everything is okay. Also, fail to fetch. Okay, the font awesome. Fail to load. But the routing should happen. Ah. Go here once and directly I look into my app.js file. This is fine only. So here we imported the in app.js file. Instead of this, and write directly one tag. Next one. And now if everything is well, then this is well. High is fine. That means the problem is with continuous. Okay, now I'll go to the this file public. In public app, we have here only. In public app, we have problem is return. Okay, so no error. Okay, very good. So hope for everyone, pages is loading. Pages means one page. Which one? Public app. Return we need to write everywhere, whether it's a inner level component or outer level independent component, dependent component, anything, but return should be there. Okay, because everywhere what you are writing as a function. Suppose inside the function we have something and unable to return. Person have knowledge, but the person is unable to speak. What he will answer? You ask anything, he will listen, he will understand you are asking, but he will keep quiet. You will feel like he don't know or what is the problem. He know but unable to reply. Same thing. Function return is nothing but function is able to speak something. Function is able to print something. Okay. Return should be there. Okay. Now in public app, right here also return is required because public app is going to where? App. So if this function will say something, then only app will get something. So return is required. Okay. Next, after that, we'll come to the next component that is called home.js. Okay. In user folder only. Everything we are under the user folder. const my home export default my home. Return just H1 you write, welcome home. Keep shopping. Some people will say my hobby is shopping. My hobby is shopping. I'm very confused on this word actually. Okay. Person will say I'm my hobby is shopping. So that represents the person has huge money. That only do. He's not saying like I have huge money. He's saying I'm ready to spend. That is called my wish is my hobbies is shopping. Up to how much you will shop? Show your hobbies. Whenever free, we will go for shopping. Okay. Let's see how many shopping you are doing. Someday account will become empty, no? Correct. So that word is look like somewhere difficult for the connectivity. Okay. Yes, window shopping is okay. Go and have a look and come back. Go and have a look and come back. Okay, the home file is ready. Let's come to the cart now. We'll go to the cart. In cart also we'll write the similar const my cart. Return again H1 my cart. First we are setting the pages components. Then we'll start the functionality from one side. My cart. Okay. Next, after that, we'll go to the login. In login, we can add same thing. We'll keep it in my login. My login. Okay, so done. One more we have called wish list. My wish. Wish list. Okay. Next, after that, We'll go to the public app and we'll set up the routing. Link is already ready. In which file? Public header. In public header, link is already ready. Now in public app, we have to routes that all components. So import here. Import call my home. Import call my cart. Import call my wish. Login also we have. Import call my login. My login. Next, after this, you will follow the routes. Then route if the path equal to only slash. Then element you will call here call my home element. Similar way, we need to add here call cart login wish list. This route we can close separate as well as we can close independent tag also. Both is possible. We can close separate as well as we can put the slash here in the last possible. Slash cart slash call login and slash in header file you have to see wish list. No, it's a wish list. Wish list. Then you will call your component called my cart. You will call here called my login. You will call here called my wish. Okay. So this all are hash router to hash router is available in your chat. If required, you can have a look there. Routing is happening. Shopping, cart, login, MyBiz. Same for everyone. Similar for all. I'll send you complete code in chat as well as this is a code. Please write it. Working for 4 people. This all you should know because you have gone through on 2 projects. One was your homework and one was the class project. Okay, moving on. Next, so this user folder routing is finished. Now we need to work on the routing of admin folder. And after that, again we'll test the admin. Okay. Okay, so we'll come to the admin folder and go to the admin header. In admin header, the code will be similar. How we are written? Public header. Code will be similar. If you want, you can copy something from the public header. In admin header, we can add it and we can change the component name college admin header. This we can keep as a dashboard. This we can keep college a my cart, not my cart, new product. Next we can add, here we can give the path called new product. We can add call, another one is called product only or product list. Will give up, let it be product. Can write here product list. Then we have here called order. You can write called order list. Order list. And what else? Dashboard will display everything. New product we can add. Product list will add product. Order list will add order. Add one more li. There you will keep a button. button. Welcome Ganesh. Welcome Alex and log out. So this will be a logout button. Admin header you call in the last. This code also complete code. I saved in your chat. The links are ready. Next, we can call this file in admin app. Admin header. So everyone completed. So we'll go to the call admin app. In admin app, import as router, routes, route, import admin header, const admin app, return as router, admin app, export default admin app. Okay, so done clear. Now where we'll call this file? In app.js. So in app.js already you are calling one. Which one? Public apps. Public app will remove and will add the admin app. Okay, so hope done this file also. Admin header. Oh, admin header I called here, right? I should write here admin header. I wrote the admin app. Okay, ready. Now come to the app.js file and import this one. In app.js file, import one more admin app from admin/admin app.js file. Then two component we can't load together. So what will happen now? You will call here call admin app. Now you will see the feature of admin app. So this particular return what you are changing manually, admin app and public app, right? That will be automated. Based on login, it will get changed. If or else. If login, then if, not login, then else. We'll see now. Link is coming or not. Admin app. Link should appear here. Dashboard, new product, drop list, order list, and then login. Okay. Next, what we have to do? Routing. Before routing, we need to add some content under each component, and after that, we need to do the routing. Okay, so in admin app, we added something, and that admin app, we called under the app.js file, right? App.js file, and app.js file is working properly. Okay, next work, come to the admin folder. In admin folder, admin header is ready, admin app routing is pending. Now dashboard, new project, and this all we have to do something. So we'll go to the dashboard file, const my dashboard, const my dashboard, export default my dashboard, return h1 dashboard. Okay, Dashboard is ready. Now, same way, we can go for which file? New product. New product page. Write again. Const new product equal to return h1 new product. Export default new product. Okay. Next, after that, which one? Order const my order the return h1 manage order okay. So order is ready. Next one is called product. So again const my product return h1 product list. Export default my product. Okay. Next, after this, we have to add the routing part. So first import all the components in admin app. Import my dashboard. Import new product. Import my order. Import my, what is that? My product. Next below, after admin header, we can follow the routes. Under the routes, we can add the multiple route. Exact path equal to only slash element equal to my dashboard element. Now we'll 2, 3, 4. So we'll add here for what we have added there. You need to check once in the admin header. New product, and then order. New product, new product. Then next is called product. Next is called order. So new product is nothing but new product component. Product is nothing but my product component. Order is nothing but my order. Next, according to link, click, the content will get changed. So if you remember your first or second class of HTML, we have discussed how to create a file and how to save the file and how to run it. And today you are able to create a project. You are able improvement happen. This all knowledge will increase if you distribute. Money will decrease if you distribute. Money will decrease, not increase. Don't distribute the money, distribute the knowledge. In some kirana shop, if you go, you will find once you ask any product name, the shopkeeper will go directly to that rack and he will bring the product and give you. Right? Some kirana shop, if you go, if you ask one product, the person will look around, he will apply his search feature. Where is this product? He will start searching in the same shop, then he will give after some time. Correct? Medicine shop, once you go, they have arranged in such a way, hand will reach to the direct that box only. Correct? Some people will search where is that, right? So that is called how you are arranging your knowledge is up to you. If anyone asks, it should not be like you start searching in your rack, where is the lemonade? Correct? Immediately you should search and give him. So that is called you are in the practice. If you will not practice, then knowledge will be there, but in which rack it is, you don't know, you will forget it. Once demand will come, answer will come, sorry, out of stock. Okay, let's go next then. Hope your links are working. Dashboard, new product, product list, order, right? But at a time, we can see only one project. We cannot see both. Login, then you see the admin application. Log out, then you see the previous. Okay, so what we can do next? Next, if it is working for everyone, then login, logout functionality, we can make ready hard code value, not dynamic. Just button click, login will happen, and button click, logout will happen. And based on that, your project will get changed. In app.js file, you can see here, in app.js file, you are changing the code manually, public app, admin app. So to make it dynamic, we can write 2 lines of code so that this point will be dynamic. So log in, then see the admin application, log out, then see the public application. Button click, simple button click, okay? Okay, so hope your routing and all is happening. Shall we go next or shall I share the folder? Let me share the folder. Some people will not speak yes, some people will say nothing, still there will be error. So let's take the SRC, replace it quickly. Next 15 minutes more will spend and we'll finish that login logout part. Static, how to log in and how to log out. Jaldi fast replace your SRC folder if it is not working. Okay, so first let us go to the your admin app, not admin app, admin header, and write a function at end of the page. Write a function at end of the page. Const logout. Logout equal to local storage dot clear. Local storage dot clear. Like logout button, once you press, we'll call this logout function, and logout function will delete all the data from local storage. And after deleting the data from local storage, what it will do? It will redirect to the home page. Okay, or it will redirect to the login page. Wait a minute. It will redirect to the login page. So for login page, our URL should be something like this. Window.location dot href / login. So we are redirecting to a login page. Okay. Window.location.href equal to login, complete application / login, and then window.location.reload. What is that? Number one, you deleted all the data from local storage. Number two, you redirected to which page? Login page. After going to the login page, window.location.reload. After going to login page, refresh the page. Okay, after going to login page, refresh the page. Then this logout button, logout function, you click, call on this button, click. On click equal to logout. On click equal to logout. Local storage S will be capital. Written. Now, don't check now. We'll complete the entire process, then we'll check it. Okay. So local storage dot clear means delete all the data from local storage, browser memory. So this is in which file? Admin header. Let's come back to your next file, that is called login.js file. In user folder, we have a file login.js. In user folder, we have a file called login.js. So in this, we'll follow the division and correct. Now write a button here for login. Click to login. Then on click equal to function called go. Call the function called go. Go function is not there. Okay, go function is not there. We have to write here a function called go. Const you will just create the local storage directly. Local storage dot set item. Using this line, we are creating the local storage. We are storing some value in local storage. Okay, let's suppose full name, comma, vendor one. And again, local storage dot set item VID is nothing but vendor ID. Keep here 1, 2, 3. Vendor ID is 1, 2, 3. After that, again, local storage got created. In the admin header, you have written 3 lines. Last 2 lines. Copy the last 2 lines. In admin header, we have written last 2 lines. Copy that and paste here. Now you redirect to dashboard. Redirect to dashboard. Local storage dot set item full name vendor one. local storage of set item VID, how much? 1, 2, 3. Then window.location.href, where to go? Dashboard. And after going to dashboard, again reload the page. Because first time when you are changing the, you can say, application, when you are login, logout, if you are doing, based on login, logout, entire content has to change. Header, footer, all will change. So first time loading, reloading is required. Once you go to dashboard, after that click on the component, page will not reload. Content will get changed. Your page will, here purposefully we are refreshing the page so that after changing one role to other role, the entire content has to change. Okay. Right? Happen. So what you will find in local storage? Full name as well as VID. So in app.js file, we are going to check if VID is null. If VID is null, that meaning no one is login, then display the public app. If VID is not null, then display which one? Admin app. One side you are clearing and creating the local storage, and another side you are checking local storage exists or not. If local storage exists, means someone is logged in. Then redirect to which page? Admin application. So wrote this log. I will share this code in chat. So this is gone to your chat. Okay. So in login page, you are creating the local storage. And after that, you redirecting to where? Dashboard. And once you log in admin header, you are clearing the local storage. And you are redirecting to where? Login page. Okay. Now, to control this, we have to check whether local storage is created or not. If local storage is created, then someone is logging. Okay, so we'll go to the app.js file now. In app.js file, return you have written. Before return, write a if condition. Now you can customize the return. Keep in single line. No need to put in double line. Put in the single line like this. So that we can write to if and else, and we can return like this. So let's check now if local storage dot get item. There you have done the set item. Here you are going to do the get item. What is that? VID. VID. Okay. VID double equal to null means local storage is not created. Then what to do? Something else. You do the something. If it is null, then return the public app. If it is null, then return the public app. Else, return which one? Admin app. Simple. Your flow will be dynamic now. After login click, it will display the admin application. After logout click, it will display the public application. Local storage dot get item VID double equal to null. VID null when local storage is not exist. Then what to do? Public app. Else what to do? Admin app. Written. This if else I'll share you in the chat. Checked. Let me guide you. I'll come here. Now we are login. No, we are not login. So what is coming? Shop, my cart, login, wish list. Correct. This is when before login. Now when I go to the login and click on click to login. Page got redirected, and which page appear? Dashboard appear. Dashboard, new product, product list, order list, and again log out. It will go to the login, and again which page will come? Right? So based on click, based on login, the content got changed. Okay. Like suppose you are not login and you will try to call your dashboard. DASHBOARD dashboard. It will not show you the dashboard. It is showing dashboard. No. Since that application itself is not loaded. If that application will load, then only dashboard will show something. Okay. Right. So we will work on same on next week. First we'll complete the login part, dynamic. Okay. After that, we'll work on JSON server setup, creating the API, filling some sample product. And after that, we'll come to the home page. First, we'll complete the home page. And then we'll go for the cart page. Then we'll go for the place order. After that, wish list. And then we'll come back to the admin part. In admin part, we'll add the product that will display in the home page. From home page, whatever the order you will place, it will come to the admin. Admin can see the list of product. He can add the product. He can see the dashboard. So next Saturday, Sunday, we can finish the home page functionality, like public app, user folder. In a user folder, whichever you have, you can finish in one Saturday, Sunday. And one more Saturday, Sunday is required for the, which one? Admin functionality. Okay. Right, again, I'll share the SRC folder. Happening or not happening? Say yes, no, at least. Working. I will share the SRC folder. You can use the SRC if anything wrong. So this is the page flow. Page-wise flow is like this. Okay. Now inside the project, what will happen? Which component, what it will do? That is the next level of functionality we are going to see. So your SRC folder is available in chat. We can download. We can use it. Next for 5 p.m. people, your Redux is over. Next your class is on Saturday, Sunday. Okay. In this project, I will guide you searching, sorting, the suite alert, as well as some other extra packages what can help you better. Okay. The morning 7 o'clock people will set up a new project for the Redux class tomorrow. I will message in the group. Okay. Then from tomorrow we'll start the Redux, and then 3-4 classes will go for Redux. By Friday your Redux will get over. Then next class, this week you have continuous class till Friday. And then again Saturday, Sunday you will have a project. Then your regular syllabus will get end. Then next class will be on Saturday, Sunday only tomorrow. Okay. So the 7 o'clock people, right? Please set up a new project. You can give the project name MyRedux. And in that, what need to do tomorrow, that will do. So if the project is set up, then it will not take extra 10 minutes. Okay. Okay. I'll message in the group also. We'll see you again next, today Sunday or Saturday? Sunday, no? Right? Sunday. So next Saturday we'll sit for the project in the morning again, 8 o'clock. Okay. Right. So no need to be in confusion. It's confirmed at 8 o'clock for Saturday. Okay. Thank you for your valuable time.